Hey everyone, in today's quick guide, I'll show you how to download Adobe Creative Cloud for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop. With a 14-day trial, you'll get access to the full suite of Adobe apps, allowing you to explore and use these powerful tools without any commitment. To start, simply click the link in the description below. This will take you directly to Adobe's page where you can initiate your free trial. On the Adobe website, hit the Start Free Trial button to unlock the 14-day trial of the All Apps plan. This includes access to all of Adobe's top-tier apps like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Illustrator, and much more. Now, Adobe will ask you to choose your preferred payment option. The monthly plan is designed with your flexibility in mind. You can cancel anytime before the trial period ends, giving you full control over your subscription. If you know you'll be using Adobe's tools for a while, the yearly plan offers a better monthly rate, helping you save over time and making your investment in Adobe more cost-effective. Next, you'll need to sign in or create a free Adobe account. Adobe will require a payment method to activate the trial, but don't worry, you won't be charged as long as you cancel within 14 days. It's a good idea to set a reminder so you don't miss the cancellation deadline. Once signed up, Adobe will guide you through downloading the Creative Cloud app. After installation, you can easily access and install the apps you need, all in one place. Now, you've got 14 days to dive into Adobe Creative Cloud and explore all the powerful tools Adobe offers, which are completely free. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips, tutorials, and software guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring Adobe Creative Cloud.